Good afternoon. Right, going to do a little bit about GYEON Scents. I'm going to have to read about from the laptop with this one because there's no way I can remember all this information. It's just too much. And it's worthwhile me reading this to you because I don't think you can make your mind up about thinking about buying this unless you know something about it, because it's fairly expensive and you want to know why it's expensive before you want to, think about putting your hand in your pocket. To begin with, you buy that and it's 80 mils of highly concentrated product. Along with that, you get 3 of these GYEON cards. These you can obviously choose. You can put them in 3 different vehicles if you want, or put a couple in one vehicle and spray them to different intensities, to wherever you want in that vehicle. If you've got a pet in a vehicle, you're not going to want the intensity in the back, maybe. So, here we go. It says, product information. The long-awaited GYEON scents are now available. We selected the most recognisable scents from our hit products, because they're actually based on the products that you use and use for detailing. So the interior fragrances now can be used in 2 different ways. We introduced 4 different scents: Silver Fresh, Refreshing, Subtle, and smells a lot like our Prep and QM Cure. Black Night, which is the one that we've got, strong and heavy, reminding of a classic cologne water. We think that's going to be quite nice. Then you've got Citrus Fresh, citrus based, light blue, delicate, mild fitting, heavy interior, but outstanding in vehicles, finished in a high leather upholstery. Our scents are highly concentrated, resulting in a strong and long-lasting effect in any car interior with a minimal consumption. One spray over a floor mat or in any included hanger will last for over a week. So you can imagine it's going to last for a good old while, this is. It says sold as a bundle with 3 of these unique hangers. It will allow everyone to choose their favourite GYEON design or use the fragrance in more than one car. The scents can always use simply by spraying on floor mats. So, there we go. Not a lot more to say. Going to go put it in the car, have a smell of it. I don't fancy spraying it on my clothes because by the sound of it, we're not going to get it off for a week. And if we don't like it, that's not going to be too clever. I'm not taking the top off. It comes with a plastic sealed over the top of it, which is quite nice because you know that when you bought it, the seller's not been in it and had a quick sniff of it. Oh crikey, that's really quite nice. That's the sort of smell that I'm going to really like. I'm not entirely sure. Pardon?
You can smell it for a start.
Can you smell it from there?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I can, yes, which is really good, isn't it? Because I've got no sense of smell. So that's nice for me. I'll sniff of that. Yeah.
Fresh?
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to... GYEON products, though, they're great, aren't they? You've got all these different scents on the market. I noticed that John from Forensic Detailing, he did a Chemical Guys one the other day. And that was in a huge pot like this. Not as concentrated as this, but that was a fun product, that was. But I don't know. You know what you're getting with GYEON, don't you? Chemical Guys is a good product, and I've got lots of Chemical Guys stuff, but I've got quite a lot of GYEON stuff as well. So I've hoovered the car out. Well, I've tried to hoover the car out. We need one of those tornadors really to hoover our car out with, or we were looking last night. I think the only way really to get the airs out of our car is to order a new one. Seriously, chocolate labs, when they molt,
It's loved.
yeah, it's like, it's next to impossible to get them out of. You can hoover and hoover and hoover, and I'm saying that's the wrong word, vacuum. Hoover is the manufacturer's name, isn't it, of a vacuum cleaner, but they were so well known they started calling them hoovers, so they took off and became hoovers, but it's vacuum cleaners, that's the real term for it. But I use a George for that, or
Usually use a show.
a shark's very good because it's very light, but today I wound up using the George because it was in such a state. Well, we thought it was, but the George made quite light work of it, but really it's in a state. It needs sorting out properly. It needs some Surfix putting in it and a good scrub out and doing properly with the George. We don't want a wet clean and a good suck out. So I'm not doing that on camera, that's for certain, because I don't want to show the filth coming out of there. It won't be too proud of that. So anyway, we'll get off in the car and spray some of that around, and we'll tell you what we think to that. So it is a shame that we don't have phones with, it's about time they had something in it with smell-o-vision on. It's, I've said this when I was a kid 50 years ago. They should have things with smell-o-vision on. You know, they surely by now should be able to put chemicals in a phone or in a television and have it where when you talk or something, a smell can come out of it. You know, you can do that. Surely they should be able to do it at least with a television. You'd have thought so, wouldn't you? But there we go. Maybe nobody's thought about it. There we go, you know. It's good for a laugh, isn't it? Right, we'll be in the car in a minute. Okay, we were just laughing about the smell-o-vision. Just imagine if somebody farted, we wouldn't like the smell-o-vision then, would we? Hey? We'll give us some comments on the smell-o-vision. What do you think about it?
Fish and chips.
If you, yeah, fish and chips, hey? That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Which one would you choose if you were having this GYEON? Have any of you already had this GYEON product? What do you think to it? Tell me which one have you had? If you've had it, which one have you had? We've decided we've had a joint meeting and we're having that one. Even the chocolate labs have voted for this one. They like it. Tell you what, that's a quality card, that it. Oh, it is as well. That's no junk. That's no junk. That's a real thick quality card. Feel that. That's no ordinary crappy air freshener. Do you know what? Everything GYEON make is good quality, isn't it? Hey?
Spray it before you
Yeah. Look at this up here. This is made from my first chocolate Labrador's fur. She's died now. She died 2 years ago. 4 years ago. That's a heart that my wife had made from her fur. So she goes everywhere with me.
Sophie.
She's gone into almost a golden Labrador now. She was full chocolate, brown, dark chocolate. She goes everywhere with me now. And this one was my first Labrador. That's it's not from her, but it was a present from her for Christmas. That one's, gosh, about 36 years old, that. Something like that. Right, I pulled this off. You'll get to know everything about us before we're done.
Apart from who it's our girls, not yours.
Yeah, spraying this. Priming it. Not going yet. Going. 1. Wow. You smell that? Oh yeah. That's no cheap air freshener, is it? Right. Oh, that's lovely. Do you know what? When you get cheap air fresheners, they really are cheap, aren't they? Got this one here, look. Oops. That was expensive. That was about £5 in English money. That was. So, you know, about $6 in American money. That does that still smell it at all?
No.
No. That's not been in there not very long. That's for certain. We could hang that off there because it still looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Put it on the air fresh. Put it on the vent like that. And it's not in the way of anything then. I don't like things dangling in the way. I don't like things, I certainly don't like things near my mirror. So I know we've got all this mess down here, but I don't like things where I'm driving, where I can see. I don't like that.
Cat treats.
So yeah, cat treats in here, look. Because when we travel, the cat sits here in the back and we feed him well, the wife feeds him cat treats if I'm driving, or I feed him cat treats while she's driving. So, there we go.
Smells
That really does, it smells divine, that does. Absolutely lovely. Really does. I can smell that properly. Really, really nice. Yeah. Come back on us on that one. Tell us. I'd like some comments on that. I'm not getting enough comments on these things. Surely you people are having these products. I'd love to know. If you've had these, let me know if you've had them, and I want to know what you think to them. Would you buy them again? You know, are they as good? Because as far as I can tell from the initial thing, from that, if that's going to last a week from that spray, I would definitely buy that again. Here's another one that I would buy again, and that is super cheap. That is Gas Monkeys from Tesco, and look at that. That's over a year old, that, and that smells lovely. But you have to give it squirt, 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 lots of squirts. But it's dead cheap. It's about £4.50, but it's above a year old, and it's like down there. So we have them competing with each other. We have this Lynx one, which to be honest with you was useless, and that was £5. That one's £4, and it's absolutely great. We didn't have any others, did we, at the same time? No, I think so. No, we sometimes have those
Yankee
gel
candles or
ones.
Jelly Bellies.
Yeah, Yankee candles. We don't like those. They don't last very long. I can't smell those. So, yeah, there we go. Has any of you got those that John Deleuze had on Forensic Detailing? Gosh, I can never think of the name of them. I know use their stuff all the time. I'm gonna have to edit this out. You know that shampoo that I like, the yellow shampoo?
Yeah. Chemical Guys.
Chemical Guys, yeah. The Chemical Guys one. It's about that big. I forget how much it was. Have a look it up. John Deleuze on Forensic Detailing. He had it on last week, and he was saying about it and said it was a good bit of fun. Bought it from Halfords, I believe. So I'm going to go over to Halfords now, and I'm going to buy some of that stuff for doing scratches. One of my neighbour's cars scratched. I'm going to buy some of it and do her car. See if it fixes her car up for her. and try that and see what other things they've got in there. Buy a couple of other products at the same time. So we'll have a look what else we can find in there, put on the channel for next week. Okay, catch you later. Thumbs up as always, have fun. We're going out this afternoon, going to a garden centre, take the dogs out for a change. We've got a bit of spare time. So have fun, subscribe, want more subscribers, find people, go knock on people's doors, tell them I want more subscribers, go and find people. Go on.
I'm desperate.
Yeah, I'm desperate. Go and knock on people's doors, go say, go and find subscribers for me. Bye for now, have fun.